Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm Zeke and welcome to the Dream Green Show. Now with Chargepoint, I'm not gonna say that I predicted the future, but let's go ahead and watch this clip from 1 week ago. I think it's gonna stay true to the golden ratio. Now that it had a good run up, it's probably gonna pull back to the golden zone right here inside the 50. So around the $32 to $30 price point. If it pulls back there, I'm gonna load up on SBE. Now that you watched that clip, now I'm gonna put up a screenshot of what the charts look like now. Now I ain't gonna say I predict the future, but that is right to the T, exactly what I said happened. So you guys gonna start listening to me. You're gonna start putting some respect on my name. And if you wanna hop in on Chargepoint and start making money with me, then you might wanna subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on crucial videos just like this. And shout out to all 3,300 of you guys that have hit the notification bell. By hitting that notification bell helps out this channel a lot. That means every time I post a video, and you guys are gonna be the ones to see it first, and that really helps out a small YouTuber like me. The first people that comment is usually the first people I reply to. And then when we hit 5,000 people that hit the notification bell, I'm gonna do a giveaway on this channel. So if you haven't already hit the notification bell, hit that notification bell because you don't wanna miss out on good news like this. I'm gonna tell you guys my plays on SBE, on Chargepoint that could make us a lot of money in the future. So make sure you stick to the end of this video because I'm gonna give you the setup. I'm gonna give you the setup and you are going to make money. Well, I'm gonna make money. You ain't gotta follow my plays now. Do your own research, but I'm gonna make some money off the research I have done. So make sure you hit the thumbs up button because I put a lot of time in my research and it's all for you guys, the great subscribers. But before we hop into the video, this video is brought to you by Webull. Sign up now, deposit $100, and now you will receive 4 free stocks. 4 free stocks from Webull just by depositing $100 into the account. They'll give you 4 free stocks. 2 of them are going to be valued up to $250, and the other 2 are going to be valued up to $1,600 each. You could deposit your money, get the free stocks, and then if you want to, you can withdraw your money out after you receive your free stocks. It's literally free money, nothing to lose at all. The link is down in the description. But enough talking, let's go ahead and dive straight into this video. Welcome back, dreamers. Here we are on Robinhood. I'm gonna go over the Robinhood setup and then I'm gonna go into the news and then I'm gonna give you the setup at the end of this video. So make sure that you watch the entire video. Now here we are on my Robinhood account. My account is at $38,237. On the week, I'm up $415, and on the month, I'm up $5,544. A lot of that has to do with some of the plays that I talk about on this channel. So if you have missed out on those plays, make sure that you don't miss out on any future plays if you want to make some money. So let's pull up SBE right quick. All right, here we are on Switchback Energy, which is going to change over to Chargepoint in the near future. Right now on the day, they are down 12.67%, and in the aftermarket hours they are down 1.12%. So they're down a little over 13% on the day. And if we look at the week, they're down 16.2% on the week. Now I told you guys last week that SBE was going to have a pullback. A lot of you didn't believe me that you wasn't gonna have the opportunity to jump in. Well, now, like I talk about buying the dip, this is the dip that we need to buy because over the month they're still up 110%. It's still pulling back, and I'm gonna show you guys how to play it so you don't try to get in too early or that you don't get in too late. But I'm comfortable buying SBE at $29. I am comfortable buying SBE at $29. I'm going to tell you why in just a second. But right now, if we scroll down, I am still up 34%, $225.85. I have 30 shares with an average cost of $21 with a market value of $872.18. Now I told you guys I'm eventually gonna try to get to 100 shares of SBE, but I'm a pretty normal person. I just don't have thousands of dollars to throw into the stock market. So I have to time out everything perfectly, time out everything well. I'm pretty normal for the average investor. So a lot of YouTubers have thousands of dollars just to invest in. Yes, it takes money to make money, But we got to be a little smart about our money because we really don't have much to lose. So that's why I think I make the connect with a lot of you subscribers from what I read in the comments. You guys are amazing. So let me go ahead and switch over, give you the news why I think SBE is going to be a times 10 company in the near future. And then I'm going to give you the setup on what you could do in the coming days on SBE in order to get a great entry point and make some money now. All right, here we are, dreamers. This is the Houston location for all the Chargepoint stations. Let's count them up right quick. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and then one over here is 20. So there's 20 Chargepoints locations. Let's zoom out just a little bit, but there are 20 Chargepoints locations in the Houston area. There we go, 21. That is how small the charging station industry is now, with only 20 stations in a major city like Houston. And Chargepoint is 73% of all charge stations out there. Of the market of charging stations, Chargepoint owns 73% of all of those out there. So like Plug Energy, no, Chargepoint has 73% of all of these companies out there, of all the charging stations. They pretty much run that industry. Now, if you compare that to gas stations, there's 4 or 5 gas stations on a single corner alone. So there will be thousands of gas stations in Houston, not just 20 EV charging stations. So that showed you how early, that is literally how early we are getting in on this amazing company, to where they only have 20 charge stations in a major city like Houston. That is us getting in super duper early. Because if we look what Biden said earlier, he's planning on investing $2 trillion in the infrastructures of renewable energy and electrification. So he's planning on installing 500,000 new electric vehicle charging stations by the year 2035. Yes, over 500,000 new charging stations. So if there's only 20 in Houston, one of the major cities, and then he's eventually want to add 500,000 new charging stations to all North America, and ChargePoint runs 73% of that industry, it has no choice but to triple in value, guys. They're going to go to ChargePoint with $1 billion and say, hey, we need charge stations all across North America. You are the guys to do it. You're already doing it. You're already in major cities. Make it happen. This company is going to 10x very, very soon, but be way before 2035. Now, if we take a look at SBE, this is the 2-hour chart. Let me just go ahead and show you guys the 15-minute chart, like I told you on my last video there. All right, so this is the 15-minute chart. Every bar on here is the last 15 minutes. I drew this chart out a couple of days ago before it even fell back. I said that it was going to fall all the way back to the golden zone, that you guys was going to have another buying opportunity. And if it fell to the golden zone for me right here at the 50, that I was going to buy. So when the market opens tomorrow, I'm going to buy some SBE personally. Now, if you're not comfortable buying at the 50 right here at the $29 price point, it could fall back to the 618 to the $26 price point. If it falls to $26 price point, enter. Just go ahead and enter. I don't see it falling back down to the $88 to $18, but if it falls back to the $26, $25 price point, go ahead and buy some. I'll be buying even more at the $25 price point, but if you want to be patient, you can wait until the 618. I'm personally buying at the 50, which is $29. But if you're super conservative and you don't know where to enter, just go ahead and wait until it starts to trade above the simple moving average, which is this green line right here. Wait until it starts to trade above it and to have a trend of going and staying above the green line, and then you can enter and ride it all the way back to its old all-time high of $42. So you could wait until the pull back to the 618, enter. Or you could wait, if you're super comfortable with your money, you could go ahead and wait until it starts trending above the simple moving average, which is this green line, and then go ahead and enter. But my play, I'm entering on the 50, which is $29. If you want to be even more patient, you could wait until the 618 if you want to. So it could trade sideways, go up, touch it, come back down, and then come all the way back down to the 618. But if some more good news come back out, I don't see it coming back to the 618, and then we're just gonna wait until it starts to trend above the green line, and then we're just gonna buy, average up all the way to its old all-time high, which is around $42. So that is my play on SBE tomorrow when the market opens. And there we are, YouTube. If you haven't hit that notification bell yet, go ahead and hit that notification bell. It's already 3,300 of you guys that hit it. When we get to 5,000 people that hit the notification bell, we're gonna do a giveaway on this channel that you don't wanna miss out on. Trust me. And also, don't forget your 4 free stocks. Hit the link down in the description, deposit your $100, get your 4 free stocks, and I'm not gonna tell you what to do with it. You can keep it in there and use it. It's a great platform, or you can pull it out if you want to. It's literally free money. But other than that, guys, let me know down in the comment section, have you profited from watching this channel on SBE, on Chargepoint? Let me know down in the comment section, how many shares did you go ahead and pick up, and what are you comfortable picking up at any given price point? But other than that, I'm Zeke, bringing you the Dream Green Show, and I'm out. Peace.